let's find a new project for this week. The wood box square, dark brown. I bought this wood box in a thrift store the other day, and now it was the perfect time to give it a makeover. First I sanded off the top layer of the box so the paint would stick better to it. I then added a coat of gesso on top. Painted the outside with acrylic white. I then used a flat brush and my silver acrylic and painted on those little vines so it looked like marble. It was the first time I was trying this out and I really like how it turned out. I will definitely try it out on other projects as well. I then decided to paint the inside in a different color. I couldn't decide between this blue and turquoise, but decided on the less darker one for this project. I then covered the inside of the top as well. And used a glossy varnish to seal everything in. I really like how this box turned out. The marble effect is great. I wish I wouldn't have painted the inside rim in blue and instead kept it in white. It would have given it a better finish. But on and off, I really like it. I hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!